thing is fucking pulling. Damn, I can't believe it. And it's pulling. What you guys think about the new camera angle? I haven't done a GoPro like this. It's kind of on the side of my windshield, but gotta hit the brakes real quick. All right, anyways, YouTube, it is another video. We are back at it. So this is gonna be my first driving my car tuned. Now, if you guys saw the last video, I drove it home. We got one pull in and I went home for the day. It is the next day now and I'm taking my car out. I'm data logging right here. I don't know if you guys can see the laptop, and yeah, we're just gonna see what it does. Everything was looking pretty good. I wasn't really having any knock. I had just a tiny bit. I pulled a little bit of spark out of there, so I'm running on that tune, but I'm kind of driving it through town right now. We're gonna take it on the freeway and then maybe hit some back roads in Mexico. We'll see what happens, you guys. But yeah, let's get into it and I'll just tell you guys how it feels. So just like my initial impressions, like pulling away from a light right now and everything, I mean, it feels good, it feels smooth, feels peppy, no stumbling, nothing like that. Everything feels great. Supercharger whine is amazing with the RotoFab. If you guys have missed the last videos, so what we did to my ZL1, I have a 2019 Orange Crush ZL1. What we did is we installed the RotoFab Big Gulp, and we went ahead and we installed the LT5 throttle body. I've been tuning during the last video, getting things dialed in, and now I'm just gonna take it out and see what it does. But so far, zero complaints. Everything's running strong, running like a champ. And it feels like it pulls much harder than stock too. Honestly didn't know I could get this much whine from the LT4 supercharger. So now I'm itching to go ahead and remove the lid on it and remove the little silencer that's in there. So you guys stay tuned for an upcoming video. I've gotten a ton of comments about it. I've always known about it, but when I watch the videos of people doing it, it doesn't seem that significant. But with the Big Gulp, the change seems significant. So if I could just add a little bit on top of that, I mean, why not? Why not? Up or down on the freeway, I can't tell. Damn. Let me talk a little bit about the tune. I'm commanding 0.84 lambda right now. I know that's a tad on the lean side, but I'm hoping to air slightly rich. So really, I'm kind of hoping to hit around the 0.83-ish number. That's my goal. That's my target, you guys. say I got back down to the speed limit. Holy fucking shit. I can officially say my fucking ZL1 is faster than my Procharged Camaro was. Holy shit. Shit, you guys. Oh my God. Get my hood back on. Woo! Oh my God. Oh my God. ZL1 brakes are money. Woo. So I actually just want to pull over and check my tune since I added a couple of things before I keep getting on it. Make sure that I'm not having any knock or nothing like that. But oh my God, this thing is fucking pulling. Damn, I can't believe it. And it's pulling hard too, like, and smooth. It wasn't like jittery. Whew. Holy smokes. All right, let me check this out, you guys. God damn, roll the motherfucking windows down in this bitch. Holy shit. Still was getting just a tiny bit of knock in the really high upper RPMs and high cylinder air mass, but pretty sure that, so I just pulled a little bit more timing out. So let's go ahead and shut the car off. I'll get this written to the car real quick and we will fucking get back to it. Holy smokes, you guys. Holy smokes. I'm so happy right now. You guys have that where the exhaust pops like that? I don't know what the hell it is about these freaking 6th gen Camaros. My SS did the same thing. Even with the stock exhaust, because at first I was like, well, maybe it's after I went with the Corsa, but no, it did it with my stock ZL1 exhaust. I mean, I guess it's just contracting the heat on the exhaust, but it's weird that it pops like that. All right, you guys, let's get right back to it. So even though this is a first drive, like with all my mods and everything, as you guys can see, still just fine-tuning the tune. And you know, it can honestly end up being a lot of that, just really getting the tune fine-tuned exactly how you want it, because there's just several different things to quote-unquote tune or to adjust within the tune. So I don't even know where I'm at out here, honestly, you guys. Going through the gears or nothing. That's the best way to get like the cleanest pull on a wide open throttle pull. And that way I can go back and really look at the numbers, get an idea on my math there and everything like that. Because if you guys don't know, when you're tuning, like on the decel and all kinds of different things affect the actual results, or can skew your data a little bit. So just be aware of that. Alright, you guys, I mean, that's probably going to do it for this video. We took a good little drive out to Mexico today, and yeah, I mean, I'm back in town now. I don't really see something happening, so I'll probably catch you guys later. If something comes up, you'll see it. If not, this is the end. I'm out, baby.